This is a very important 5 marks question in the board of intermediate first year. Prepare Ravi account, Raju account, Pawan account like this one. Purchase account data to cash account, to cash or bank account. This is a very important 5 marks question in the board of intermediate first year. Prepare Ravi account, Raju account, Pawan account like this one. Prepare, in this question, prepare Ravi account from the following. Amount due to Ravi. Amount due to Ravi. Amount due to Ravi means amount बाकी है किनको रवि के बाकी है बाकी है means liabilities always credit so by balance brought down amount due to Ravi liabilities always credit, so 15,000. It is given the question 15,000. For example, amount received from Ravi is a asset, so asset always debit side. In this question, amount due to Ravi, this is a liabilities always credit 15,000. Next, goods purchased, or sometime it is given the question bought from the Ravi also. Goods purchased or bought from the Ravi, both are same. Goods purchased, generally क्या रहता? That is called purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to Ravi account. Posting the ledger. Ravi account में क्या लिखना? By purchase लिखना. Ravi account में क्या लिखना? By purchase. Ravi account में by purchase. Next, goods return to Ravi. Purchase क्रेडिट से रहे तो परचेज रिटर्न किधर रहता? डेबिट साइड. परचेज क्रेडिट से रहे तो परचेज रिटर्न किधर रहता? डेबिट साइड. That is called purchase return. Next, cash paid to Ravi. Cash paid to Ravi generally क्या रहता? Cash paid to Ravi. Ravi is a receiver. Ravi account debtor. Ravi account debtor to cash account. Ravi account debtor to cash account. Ravi account में क्या लिखना? To cash account लिखना. To cash account 15,000. Posting the ledger. General entry to posting the ledger. General entry से क्या करे? Ledger को post करे. General entry क्या रहता? Ravi account data to cash account रहता. To cash, Ravi account में क्या लिखना? To cash account लिखना. To cash account 15,000. Next, goods purchased from Ravi. Goods purchased from Ravi. This is also purchase account data to Ravi account. Ravi account में क्या लिखना अभी? Purchase account. Ravi account में purchase account 10,000. Ravi account is settled with 10% discount. Very important, listen carefully. Ravi account is settled with 10% discount. Discount is equal credit transaction, credit to minus debit. Working notes, calculation of the 10% discount. Discount is equal total credit in this one. Total credit 15,000, 12,000, 10,000, 37,000. Debit minus total debit. Debit transaction 4,000, 15,000 in this one. Only two transactions is there. That is called 4,000 and 15,000. 19,000. Discount is equal credit minus debit. Credit कितना है आपको? 37,000 है. Next debit कितना है? 19,000 है. माइनस करने के बाद कितना आया? 18,000. 10% डिस्काउंट बोले ना? 18,000 into 10 by 100. 1,800 डिस्काउंट. 1,800 डिस्काउंट. 18,000 में 1,800 डिस्काउंट निकालने के बाद रिमेनिंग बैलेंस इज ए बैंक बैलेंस. bank balance. This is a balance carried on. How much this one? 16,200. 16,200. It is not enter the cash transaction. For example, purchase. Only purchase is given. Purchase means general entry, purchase account to debtor. Purchase account to debtor to cash account. To cash or bank account. इसमें रवि अकाउंट है नहीं है. It is not enter this one only. ये enter नहीं होता इसमें. Cash transaction enter नहीं होता. ये transaction में जनरल एंट्री में रवि अकाउंट रहने के बाद you have to enter the रवि अकाउंट only. रवि अकाउंट enter करना. रवि अकाउंट नहीं रहे तो enter नहीं करना. Okay. Thank you all of you.